how to draw the Cleveland Cavaliers logo. We are going to start off by drawing a slightly diagonal line, and then from the top of that we are going to draw a big C shape for the inner outline of our Cavaliers logo. Awesome job! Now from the line that we drew at the beginning, we are going to draw a diagonal line going to the right of it from the bottom. Great! Then from the bottom of the C shape, we are going to draw a straight line going downwards. Now we are going to make the outer outline of our Cavaliers logo. For this, we are going to start at the diagonal line that we drew connected to the top part of the C and draw a big curved line going around and to the left of our page. Then from the end of that, we are going to draw a small straight line going to the right. And lastly, to finish the outer outline, we are going to draw a curved line going right here. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to draw the details on the inside of the C. First, we will start by drawing a rectangular shape right inside of the top right of the C. Then, following the inner outline of the C, we are going to draw a long, skinny shape. Awesome job! Then after that, we are going to draw a small square on the inside of the C near the very right in the middle. This will be right above where that small straight line was that we drew earlier. Awesome job! Then we are going to draw another long skinny shape that will go along the bottom outline of the C. Then for the final step, we are going to redraw the outline of the C smaller going right here on the inside. And then we will be all done drawing the Cleveland Cavaliers logo. This is how to draw the Cleveland Cavaliers logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials of logos in particular, then check out our logos playlist. Stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in, and I can't wait to draw with you again next time. Thanks for drawing with me. See you again next time.
Hey Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.